It's nice to provide people something fresh that's not just canned all the time, you know? Yeah, so we just filled up the van with some fresh load of produce from the grocery store. Coming from the J. Cox family home, so our owner Armando is the one that had the whole idea for the project, and his wife and kids have been very helpful throughout the process. Bodie and Sage helping load groceries. And this morning we went by the grocery store and picked up food for 6 different families. Right now we're on our way to go visit the first of those families. Something that's been very striking for me in this experience is how generosity has a way of multiplying itself. And so the family that we're going to go visit right now is a family of 5. They messaged me yesterday on Facebook. They've taken in another family of 4 off the street, so they're not homeless during this pandemic. And they themselves are running out of food. They didn't even have the means to support them, but they went out on faith, I guess, to bring them into their own home. So we're on our way to go feed a family of 9, essentially. And so I'm hoping that the food will drop off, will last them a few days. But that's really all that we're capable of doing right now. I would say a safe bet is we're upwards of 1,000 or 2,000 lives that we've touched so far through this project in some way.
I'm scared to even open that door.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, if you come in here and look, I have disinfectant, hand sanitizer, bleach spray. Every time I step out there, if someone walks on there, I get and I spray it.
Awesome. Well, that's what we want to do is we want to try to offer this kind of safe delivery for people so that people like you don't have to leave your house and put yourself at risk. I'm glad we could help in a little bit.
I thank you so much.
And we're being very careful ourselves, but you know, you can only do so much, you know.
Thank you so much.
Stay healthy, okay?
Thanks,
you. Betty. Good to meet you.
Thank you.
So all this has been the Foothills Roofing and Exteriors Community Service Van Project. So we want to invite you, if you or someone you know here in the Denver community is in need of food, in need of some other kind of assistance, please reach out to us. Please don't just remain alone. There are many people here in the community that are eager to help you. You can email us at community@foothillsfirst.com or also call us at 720-599-8001. That's our food hotline. We're very grateful to have the opportunity to do this project. We thank you for your support, for your financial donations, your generosity, for cooperating with us, for connecting us with the people in need. And we'll keep doing this for as long as we can. So let us support one another and keep moving forward, Denver. Thank you.